For 2 years, I tracked my trades in Notion. Then I got tired of the limitations and decided to build something better. This is what I came up with. Everything lives in one dashboard. Switch accounts from the sidebar and all your data updates instantly. No page reloads, no friction. Just clean, fast access to everything you need. Scroll down and you'll see your best performing instruments and setups ranked automatically. The app does the work, you just act on what it shows you. Now this is probably my favorite part. The trading consistency map. Think of it like a GitHub contribution graph, but instead of commits, it shows your trading days. Every day color-coded by result. Green is profit, red is a loss. Setup analytics. Every setup you've ever traded, full breakdown. Win rate, profit factor, expectancy, average RR, and the edge score. One number that tells you if your setup actually has an edge or if you've been fooling yourself. And there's a lot more. Behavioral scores, tilt meter, revenge trade detection, trade quality score, account focus with direct recommendations, every account tracked separately. This is what a real trading operating system looks like. Now watch this. I copy this widget embed code, jump to Notion, paste it. Done. Live analytics inside your Notion workspace. Your trading brain and your second brain connected. Now let's jump into the journal. I'm switching to my FTMO 200K account here. This is where every trade lives. Adding a quick transaction, $200 deposit, saved. Opening a trade. You can set your exact entry point visually, right on the chart. Scroll down and you've got full execution fields, entries, exits, everything with detail. Filter by setup, filter by winners only, losers only. Find your patterns fast. Widgets page, every embeddable widget you could want. Streak profile, copy, paste into Notion sidebar. Economic calendar, drop it below. Resize it, move it, make it yours. And here's what makes this powerful. Select a specific account, copy that widget, and it shows only that account's data. Build a completely custom Notion dashboard for every account you run. Prop firm account separate from personal. Demo separate from live. Reports, weekly, monthly, yearly, generated automatically. You don't build these, they just appear. Backtester, select best setup only. Watch the results. Your best setup in isolation. What does it actually do? Switch to trade timeline. Now hit remove 5 worst trades. See exactly how much those 5 decisions cost you. Most trading journals don't have a backtester. This one runs on your real trades, not fake simulated data. Prop firm simulator. Select 100,000 challenge. It takes your actual trade history, runs it against real FTMO rules, and tells you, pass or fail. Exact day, exact rule you'd break. If you've ever failed a prop challenge and didn't know why, this shows you. Before you pay the fee again. AI coach. Every account, all your data. Hit, when should I trade? Watch what comes back. Not generic advice, not chat GPT with no context. Your patterns, your sessions, your setups, analyzed and ranked. Tilt assessment. The coach reads your behavior after losses and tells you when you're spiraling before you blow the account. Weekly AI reports. Every week, automatically, sitting here waiting for you. If you want to see what your trades actually look like when they're organized, links below. Next video, I'm letting the AI coach read 80 trades at once. 3 patterns, $5,000 a month. Subscribe so you don't miss it.